We have some good news and some bad news for Samsung fans. The good news is that we now likely know the exact release date for Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S9 and Galaxy S9 Plus flagship phones. According to a report from a very reliable gadget leaker, Samsung plans to unveil the new Galaxy S9 and Galaxy S9 Plus during a press conference at Mobile World Congress 2018 on February 26. The phones will then apparently be made available for pre-order beginning March 1st, and they'll be released 2 weeks later on Friday, March 16. Now, for the bad news. A new set of images shows us the stunning redesigned Galaxy S9 of our dreams, but unfortunately the real thing is likely going to look nothing like this. In just a few short years, Samsung went from churning out flagship smartphones with embarrassingly bad, flash-ticky designs to releasing some of the most beautiful smartphones in the world. Samsung really hit its stride once it adopted the curved front and back that are now standard on all of the company's flagship phones, and last year's Galaxy S8 and Note 8 took things to the next level by adopting an immersive new design that is nearly all screen. In 2018, there was hope that Samsung would push things even further with a new Galaxy S9 design that features an even better screen-to-body ratio. The company was even reportedly working on such a phone, but unknown issues forced Samsung to cancel that exciting new design. In its place, Samsung will reportedly release Galaxy S9 and Galaxy S9 Plus models that are nearly identical to their predecessors. So it looks like Samsung fans will have to wait another year for a Galaxy S phone with a new and improved screen-to-body ratio, though it's possible that the upcoming Galaxy Note 9 could debut with a new design ahead of next year's new Galaxy S handsets. In the meantime, graphic designer Muhsin M. Bilal Akbarali has whipped up a sleek concept Galaxy S9 design that shows us what could have been. The actual Galaxy S9 and Galaxy S9 Plus models that Samsung will unveil next month are believed to be almost identical to the Galaxy S8 and Galaxy S8 Plus on their front sides. But Akbarali envisions a new phone that uses the brilliant design introduced by Apple on the iPhone X to extend the display all the way to the bottom of the Galaxy S9. The top bezel has been narrowed as well, and the result is truly a sight to behold. The Galaxy S9 also supports wireless charging, but that's been a standby Samsung feature for years. Overall, it may not sound like much of an upgrade, but Samsung could still surprise us in on key area, the camera. The Samsung Galaxy S9 is coming next month at MWC 2018, but some specs might have been outed by an alleged retail box that got pictured. Although most of the specs look similar to the current Galaxy S8, there are a couple of interesting additions: stereo speakers and variable aperture for the dual-pixel 12MP camera. The box says f1.5, f2.4, meaning Samsung will implement a variable aperture like the one in the Chinese-exclusive Samsung W2018. The camera will also shoot super slow MO videos, so we might finally see 1000 FPS videos that were rumored back in early 2017. Another nice feature that should have come earlier is stereo speakers, tuned by AKG. Now proper stereo speakers are unlikely given the leaked renders, as they indicate even slimmer bezels than the Galaxy S8. What we are more likely to get is the earpiece acting as the second. Other specs on the retail box include plenty of similarities to the current Galaxy S8. The screen will have a Super AMOLED panel with Quad HD and resolution. The RAM will be 4GB, and the internal storage is 64GB. The selfie camera will be 8MP with AF. The phone will support wireless charging and will come with AKG earphones. It will also be IP68 water and dust resistant one.